Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to convert a diagram to JPEG. Let's begin. Now the first thing that you need to do is to click the start button, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. To convert a Droyo diagram to JPEG, you just have to follow these simple steps. Alright, so open the diagram you want to export in Droyo. And from here, you want to make sure that you save the file first by pressing the Ctrl+S on your keyboard, and then once it's saved, so that the latest updated file will be exported or converted to JPEG. Alright, go to the file section. You see, Droyo doesn't have the convert option here natively, but the equivalent of that is going to be the export button. Here, you can export that into JPEG. If you do, it will be reverted here to this section where you can put in a border width, for example, 69. You have the option for the selection only, or if you want to choose a diagram only or the whole page. It's up to you, all right? Now, on the appearance, you can choose from a light or dark kind of exported JPEG, and from here you can also choose the shadow or grid, so it's up to you. Now after clicking the export button, you would be forwarded to the section wherein you can adjust your settings, wherein you can download it or export it or convert it to your save it the exported JPEG to your Google Drive, or you can use it the OneDrive. You can also use the Dropbox, the GitHub, GitLab, download and open in new window, whichever you prefer. All right, it's very easy. Of course, say for example, I'm going to be choosing the download button, which is still going to be saved to my computer, wherein you can open the save a JPEG to any image editor. All right, for further necessary adjustments. For example, I'm going to be opening this to Photoshop, wherein you can also open that to, you can also open it to any image editor such as Adobe, Illustrator, and a lot more. All right, and from here you can save it to a different file format and maybe send it to your client, to your team members. I'm also gonna open that to my canvas here in Canva. All right, create a design, and I'm going to go to the template section right here where I can optimize all the information going to another design. I'm going to use that image or the diagram to further enhance it. All right, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.